2 and 2. Long set. And here comes the 2-2 pitch from Brasselmine.
Makeshift. We're not makeshifting. It's raining. What's that? Are you fucking kidding?
That's not your fault. That's his fault. I have it on camera.
Every single verse, a lunatic stuck with him, and every single plaque when I.
Yeah, I'm fine, but
Holy!
Are you kidding me? So you cut the line, you speed up.
Eagle Point. It confuses me because it gets up to a bridge. There's two that roll off to the left.
He hit us?
I think we did.
I take that back. Yeah. Any other circumstance, I wouldn't give a shit about this person whatsoever. But I just loved it. Fucking retarded in Esposito. She tweeted. She goes. This is gonna sound extremely accurate, but a lot of male writers say a bunch of bonkers shit, and they don't get.
Behind me still. No, now he's trying to leave.
He's trying to leave?
Yeah, now he's leaving.
Okay. Can you see his tag?
Oh, he's actually in front of me now.
Can you give me a
He's
tag?
in front of me. I got the sheriff's on the way. You better get the out of here, man. You, I'm armed. You better get the away from me. You better get the away from me.
Hey,
bro,
hey, can you separate yourself?
I can't. He's in front of me. He's blocking me in. He's blocking me in.
He's blocking you in?
He's blocking me in right now. Fuck off. You need to fucking get away from me before you get shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. I don't need a gun, bitch. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay, sir. Do you see our officers?
I do. How you doing?
What's going on?
I do have a firearm in the car. Yes, sir. Okay, so he's been following me for a long time before he's me on a double line or whatever, and then just kept like brake checking me and stuff. And I'm like, okay, whatever. We were going down the. I was supposed to hit the first entrance, but I missed that one, so she told me to come down this one. She's like, don't park. She's like, whatever you do, don't stop. And then he blocked me right.
What the? Are you? Is you something, bro? Are you dumb?
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.